8 assets that make people rich and never work again. Watch this video till the end, and I bet you don't have to crush yourself into a 9-to-5 job ever. Hello there, welcome to Stack and Invest, the channel where financial freedom meets the power of knowledge. This video is going to change your financial instability in the future. So if you are worried about your future and if you want to learn how to make an abundant fortune out of the ups and downs of the stock market, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. So now, without wasting a second, let's dive into the video. There are 8.1 billion people on this planet, and trust me, no one wants to spend their 20s or 30s into a tiresome job. From a plumber to a manager of a multinational company, everyone has a desire to make effortless money. Unfortunately, only a few people know about the magical assets that can make their dreams come true. And you're going to be the lucky one, since today we are going to reveal the 8 assets that can make you rich and you never have to work again. So let's start with number 8. Business. Now, I know guys, setting up a business and making it successful is not everyone's cup of tea. It requires time, effort, and a team of high professionals. However, today, in this high-tech era, anyone can become a proud owner of a successful business. You don't have to know about manufacturing or production or any kind of expertise in a particular field. There are 2 ways of being an owner of a $1 million company. Number 1, find a business idea and approach an investor. This way you can easily start your startup. But let's say you are not good at creating something. Then you can try option number 2. The only condition for option number 2 is you must have funds to invest. If you have funds, you just need to look around you. The world is full of creative people. Find the one and invest in his idea. If you still find this time consuming, just check out some episodes of Shark Tank. You will find the right company for you. Number 7. Commodities. Commodities play a significant role in everyone's life. Some common examples of commodities include gold, grains, oil, meat, and natural gas. Investors who are not ready to take risks prefer commodities, since it is the best option to keep portfolios secure from the sentiments of the stock market. For ages, investors have had a strong belief that commodities, like gold and silver and other precious metals, are a kind of hedge against inflation. Whenever the value of ant currency falls due to inflation, smart investors divert their money to such commodities, and that's how the value of commodities rises. However, we should not avoid the risk factor. Commodities also include certain agricultural products. The prices of such products are associated with supply and demand. Additionally, geopolitical events, weather conditions, and technological advancements factors also impact price fluctuations. So before parking your money into commodities, make sure to consult a financial advisor. Now, do you mind hitting the like button before we move to the next? I would really appreciate this. Number 6. Royalties. Royalty income is like working on an idea once in life and generating lifetime revenue. If you are an artist like a music composer or a kind writer, royalty income is easy money for you. Let's take the example of J.K. Rowling, the author of the book Harry Potter. I bet she never knew that her fictional creation would earn her so much money. Today, when someone buys a Harry Potter book, she gets her cut without spending any hour at her office desk. Most investors assume royalty income as a long-term return. This is the best alternative to diversify their portfolio from stocks and fixed income securities. The most remarkable bright side of having royalties is the steady income that is free from market fluctuations. Equity and bond markets are used to face ups and downs, but royalty has nothing to do with market fluctuations. Number 5. Real estate. Real estate is an age-old option to get out of the rat race. Centuries ago, people with abundant real estate properties were known to be rich or someone from a high-class society. Today, in this AI era, the real estate industry is believed to be a money-making machine. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the world-popular book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is highly impressed with the stable income generated by his real estate investment. Real estate can also be a source of your passive income. You can rent out your house or a part of your house that you hardly use. This way you can easily generate passive income without too much effort. Before we see the next option, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Number 4. Trademarks and license. Making money from trademarks is a booming business today. It's like someone else pays you a hefty amount to use the catchy phrase or the symbol that you own. Setting up a business and making it $1 million company takes time and endless effort. On the other end, the trademark owner has to do nothing with spending time or putting extra effort into his or her business to make a successful brand. He just allows several people around the world to use his intellectual property and makes money by staying at home. The brightest side of this asset is that your trademark is an intellectual property, so you don't have to worry about storage room like we do for physical products. Number 3. Mutual and index funds. We all know that investment is always associated with risk. Whether you are an institutional investor or an individual, the fear of losing money is the same for everyone. However, you can deal with this fear by choosing the right mutual or index funds. In case of market fluctuation, these funds act like superheroes. Additionally, the fund comes in a bundle. It's a kind of combo pack with a variety of products in it help you to beat future inflation. Let's say you have good knowledge of finance but are not sure about the IT sector. The bundle of your funds has both kinds of funds. So when any of the sectors fall, a return from another sector would balance the loss. Ultimately, you deal with loss, and the fun fact is that you know nothing about the sector you've invested. Number 2. Time. I bet you have never heard about time being an asset, but time is $1 million asset and no one knew this secret before. If you are still confused, let me try to make it easier. The 20s and 30s are the best time of our life. We are filled with never-ending energy and we have the excitement to explore the mysteries of the world. Most of us spend this energetic period in pubs, parties, or night outs. But did you know this age is the perfect time to shape your future? You have a lot of time to learn skills and become an expert in a particular field. So rather than making a TikTok video, focus on how to develop financial skills. Gradually, you will see the mind-blowing result. Number 1. Dividend stock. And now let's talk about my favorite one. Just a few months ago, I believed that the stock market is like a wishing well. All you need to learn is to identify the pattern and where to put the stop loss. That's it. You will be a millionaire soon. But soon I began to realize that I was wrong. Of course, the stock market is the best option to multiply your investment 10 times or 100 times. But it's not like Aladdin's genie. You rub it and you get the 3 wishes. It's the opposite of what we usually think. Let me tell you how I decode it. First, find out a company with low or almost no debt. A company with the lowest debt can perform better than a company with higher debt. Second, study the divided history of the company you want to invest in. There are many companies out there who ever missed paying dividend to their respected shareholders. Moreover, dividends can also be a kind of passive for you if you chose the right stock. Step 3. Check out the sales growth of the last 5 years. Since we experienced the COVID-19 in the year 2020, you can avoid that. And the last step, invest and have some patience. Now, no matter what happens to the market, the company is paying regular dividend, so you will get your share in their profit every time. So, guys, this was the end of the list, but wait, being rich and wealthy is not a game of luck, it's a game of mindset. Rich people always have a rich mindset. On the contrary, the poor have an opposite mindset. Do you want to know how you can transform your mindset from poor to rich? Well, this is going to be our next video this week. So just hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss that by any chance. Thanks for watching.